Hey there! So, let's tackle this interesting problem we've got at hand. The issue we're facing is related to handling PNG image data received from an external API in a Node.js application. The challenge is to send this image data as a response in our own API without having to save the image on our server. Now, diving into the solution provided earlier, we have a neat approach to address this problem. By utilizing the stream capabilities in Node.js, we can directly pipe the image data from the external API response to the client response in our API. This method not only avoids the need to save the image locally, but also ensures efficient handling of the image data transfer. In the code snippet shared, we first make a GET request to the external API using Axios to fetch the PNG image data in a streaming format. We then set the content type header of the response to image epping to inform the client about the data type being transferred. To handle the streaming of data, we employ the stream.pipeline method, which seamlessly pipes the image data to the client response while also handling any errors that may occur during the process. To sum it all up, by implementing this solution, we can effectively stream PNG image data from an external API as a response in our Node.js API without the need to save the image locally. It's a clean and efficient way to handle image data on the fly. So give it a try in your own projects and stream away. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Happy coding!